Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to export Instagram Insights as PDF trick. Now, to export your Instagram Insights data as a professional PDF report without paying for expensive tools, you can use the Google Chrome print to PDF trick through the Meta Business Suite. Because the native Instagram mobile application only exports raw data or requires a professional media kit companion, this browser workaround is the most effective method for creators and marketers. To use this feature, you simply have to access the Meta Suite from your browser on your desktop. Now, once you do so, log into your account, then click on Insights in the left-hand menu, then select Overview or Content depending on what metrics you want to show. Then use the date picker in the top right corner to filter your stats and trigger the print trick. You simply have to press Ctrl P in Windows or Command P on your Mac to open your system's print preview window. Then format as a PDF, and once you do so, click the blue Save button and name your file and download it directly to your storage. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.